Hello 7th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers and worksheet 5. Now coming to the question number 7. P by Q is given. We have to find out the value of P by Q the whole raised to minus 2. But P by Q we have to solve first. Okay. So it is P by Q is equal to 2 by 3 the whole raised to 2 into 1 by 3 the whole raised to minus 4. So first convert into the negative power, convert into positive. So it becomes 2 by 3 the whole raised to 2 into 1 by 3 should be written as 3 and minus 4 will become power 4. Isn't it? Now 2 to the power 2 means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Now 3 to the power 4, it is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 9 1s are 9 9s are and 9 4s are, it is 36. So you got P by Q is equal to 36. Now you have to find out P by Q the whole raised to minus 2. So P by Q, how much you got? 36 the whole raised to minus 2. That means 1 by 36 the whole raised to 2. Isn't it? Negative power means the reciprocal. Now 1 by 36 square, 36 को multiply करोगे, 36 into 36 you will get 1296. Answer is 1 by 1296. That calculation you have to do. Now coming to the same type, 8th question. A is equal to is given a to the power minus 3 we have to find out. So write a is equal to 3 by 5 the whole raised to minus 2 divided by 7 by 5 the whole raised to 0. Now negative power means we have to write the reciprocal. 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 3 the whole raised to minus 2 becomes plus 2 divided by any base to the power 0 is how much? 1. So that means it became 5 squared is 5 5s are 25 and 3 squared is 9 divided by 1, that is 25 by 9. So you got A is equal to 25 by 9. Now we have to find out A to the power minus 3. So it will be A is what? 25 by 9 the whole raised to minus 3. Negative power, so write the reciprocal. So 25 by 9 will be 9 by 25 the whole raised to 3. Now 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. Okay, 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. Now 25 25s are 625. 625 into 25. If you multiply, it will be 15625. So 25 cube, 25 25s are 625 and again multiply by 25 you will get 15625. So the final answer is 729 upon 15625. Okay. So that was about the question number 8. Now coming to question number 9, we have to simplify. So simplify, it is first the bracket is there. See the question. First 2 by 3 the whole squared, the whole raised to 3. So first what we have to do? 2 by 3 the whole raised to 2 into 3 into 2 by 3 the whole raised to minus 4. Because bases are same, that is why keep it like that. And now this becomes 3 to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by 3 and this will be 1 by 6. Okay, now it is 2 by 3 the whole raised to 2 3s are 6 into 2 by 3 the whole raised to minus 4 into 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. So it became 2 by 3. What is the rule? In between bases are same and the powers you have to add. Add करने के वक्त 6 plus minus 4 into 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So it became 2 by 3 the whole raised to. कितना आया? 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So numerator में आया 2 and denominator में 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So the final answer is 2 by 81. सिंप्लीफाई में थोड़ा संभल कर करते जाने का है, बहुत सारे स्टेप्स रहते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड द वैल्यू देन राइट द रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, सो इट इज 1 by 2 the whole raised to minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 the whole raised to minus 3. So first we will write 1 by 2 ka power minus 2. So this one will be 2 squared, isn't it? Reciprocal and the positive power. And this became how much? 3 by 2 the whole cube. नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव करो. अभी फाइंड आउट करो 2 square is how much? 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. और 2 का क्यूब 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. अभी डिवाइड करने के वक्त क्या इसे करने का? मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 अपॉन 27 है ना. तो कटिंग नहीं है. 8 4s are 32 and denominator is 27. Now रेसिप्रोकल पूछे हैं. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 32 by 27 is 27 by 32. तो पहले क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का है, फिर उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखने का. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इट इज 2 by 5 the whole 3 into 5 by 4 the whole raised to 2. So find the value. 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now 5 squared, 5 5s are 25, 4 squared, 4 4s are 16. देखो इधर बेसिस भी सेम नहीं है, पावर भी सेम नहीं है. सो डायरेक्टली फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ 8 1s are 8 2s are 16, 25 1s are 25 5s are. Now you got the answer 1 by 5 2s are 10. Now reciprocal of 1 by 10 is 10. So first find the value and then the reciprocal. Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to the question number 11. Express the following with the as a rational number with positive exponent. तो नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट को पॉजिटिव करने का, ठीक है, नहीं तो उसको सॉल्व करके पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट करने का. इधर ऑलरेडी दिया है, कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन कुछ नहीं है, डायरेक्टली द नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव करने का. कैसे करने का? द रेसिप्रोकल 2/3 एंड द पावर इज पॉजिटिव 4. Okay, next it is 3, the whole power minus 3 into 2. So first solve it. 3 to the power minus 3 into 2, it becomes 3 to the power minus 6. 3 2s are 6, but sign is minus. That means नेगेटिव पावर है तो पॉजिटिव कैसे करेंगे? 1/3 to the power 6. Or we can write 1/3 the whole raised to 6. Both are correct. Now coming to the third sum, the bases are same. In between multiplication, so add the powers. So it became 7 to the power minus 1, isn't it? So when the power is minus, reciprocal 1 नहीं लिखेंगे. So the answer is 1/7. Now 5/8, the whole raised to minus 2, the whole raised to 3. मतलब क्या करने का? Multiplication. minus 2 into 3. So 5/8, the whole raised to minus 2 3s are 6. अभी पावर नेगेटिव आया तो रेसिप्रोकल. सो 5/8 का रेसिप्रोकल 8/5 and minus 6 power becomes plus 6. Okay. Now coming to the fifth one, bases are same. In between multiplication sign, so add the powers. Minus 3 plus 5, so you got 2/5, the whole raised to 2. Already it is in the positive power. Exponent is positive. Leave it like that. Now coming to the sixth sum. Now bases are same. In between division sign. 8 to the power 3 minus 5 into 8 raised to power minus 4. So it became 8 to the power 3 minus 5 is how much? 3 minus 5 became minus 2 into 8 raised to minus 4. So it is 8 raised to minus 2 plus minus 4. It is 8 raised to minus 6. Isn't it? Now negative power, so 1/8. 8 का reciprocal 1/8 and whole raised to minus 6 becomes plus 6. The answer is 1/8 the whole raised to 6. Hope everyone understood this full 6 sums. We have to write the rational number with positive exponent. Now coming to the last 12th sum, express the following as a rational number with negative exponent. So 1/7, the power is 5. पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव करो. सो 1/7 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या है? 5. द पावर इज -5. अंडरस्टूड? 1/7 का रेसिप्रोकल 7 और पावर 5 को -5 करने का. नेक्स्ट 3 स्क्वायर द होल रेज टू 9. द ब्रैकेट है तो मल्टीप्लाई the powers. So it became 3 to the power 9 2s are 18. अभी पॉजिटिव पावर है तो क्या करने का, बेस को रेसिप्रोकल, 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/3, द होल रेज टू, पावर इज 18, नाउ इट बिकेम -18. So the answer is 1/3 the whole raised to -18. Now the third sum, 5 is the base. In between multiplication sign, add the powers. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 to the power 5. Now it is the positive exponent. So 5 is the base. 5 का reciprocal है 1/5. The whole raised to 5 exponent will be written as -5, negative. So the answer is 1/5, the whole raised to -5. Now here bracket is there, -8/9, the whole raised to 3 into 2. हमेशा याद रखो, ब्रैकेट है तो मल्टीप्लाई करने का, बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है तो पावर को ऐड करने का, डिवीजन साइन है तो पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. सो -8/9 द होल रेज टू 3 2s are 6. अभी पावर इज पॉजिटिव, सो बेस को रेसिप्रोकल में लिखो. सो ये बनेगा -8/9 बनेगा -9/8 और पावर 6 बनेगा -6. Answer is -9/8, the whole raised to -6. Okay, now coming to the fifth sum, 5/7 is the base. In between division, so subtract the powers. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 को हम नहीं लिखेंगे, तो लिखेंगे तो क्योंकि अभी हमें उसको नेगेटिव में करने का, इसके लिए लिखेंगे. तो 5/7 का रेसिप्रोकल 7/5 और 1 का नेगेटिव है -1. याद रखो, अगर कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 का नेगेटिव -1. So you got the answer 7/5, the whole raised to -1. Now here within the bracket it is 2, base is same, division. So subtract the power, 6 minus 5 into 2 to the power 2. So it is 2 to the power 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, अभी लिखेंगे क्योंकि आगे करने का है 2 to the power 2. अभी bases are same and multiplication, so what we have to do, add the powers. 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3. अभी पावर पॉजिटिव है तो क्या करने का है, नेगेटिव करने के लिए 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/2 और पावर 3 को नेगेटिव में लिखो -3. So the answer is 1/2, the whole raised to -3. Hope everyone understood. So we have completed worksheet 5. Hope there is no doubt. Please go through the sums properly and then solve it. Understand and solve it. And remember all the laws. That's all, and it will be easy. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.